Unlock the secret of cooking. Make up a recipe. Hello, food enthusiasts and language learners. Today, we're diving into a deliciously creative part of the English language. The phrase, make up a recipe. It's not just about cooking. It's about inventing and experimenting. If you've ever wondered how chefs create new dishes or how you can start making your unique culinary delights, you're in the right place. Let's unfold the layers of meaning behind this phrase and spice up our language skills. First, let's break down the phrase. Make up doesn't just belong in the kitchen. It's a versatile phrase used in many contexts. In general, make up can mean creating, inventing, or fabricating something. It could be a story, an excuse, or, in our delicious context, a recipe. When you make up a story, you're inventing it. Similarly, when you make up a recipe, you're creating a new set of instructions for a dish, often using your creativity and whatever ingredients you have at hand. Making up a recipe is like painting, but your canvas is the kitchen, and your paints are the ingredients. It's an art form where you mix a pinch of creativity with a spoonful of culinary skills. Here's how it works. 1. Inspiration. It starts with a spark of inspiration. Maybe you tasted something extraordinary at a restaurant or you're craving a dish from your childhood. 2. Innovation. Next, you innovate. You think about the flavors, textures, and ingredients you want to bring together. 3. Experimentation. Then comes the fun part, experimentation. You try different combinations, adjust the spices, and taste as you go along. 4. Final touches. Finally, you refine your dish, making small adjustments until it tastes just right. You might wonder, why should I make up a recipe when there are millions already out there? Great question. Making up a recipe allows you to express creativity. It's a creative outlet where you can express yourself through flavors and presentations. Personalize your meals. You can tailor dishes to your dietary needs, taste preferences, and the ingredients you have on hand. Learn and grow. Each attempt teaches you more about cooking techniques, flavor combinations, and even the science behind cooking. Creating a recipe can be daunting, but with these tips, you'll be crafting culinary masterpieces in no time. Start simple. Begin with recipes you're familiar with and make small changes. Take notes. Write down what you add or change so you can replicate your success or learn from your mistakes. Be patient. Not every experiment will be a hit, but each one will be a valuable learning experience. Making up a recipe is more than just cooking. It's a journey of creativity, learning, and self-expression. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a curious beginner, the kitchen is your playground, and the possibilities are endless. So, grab your apron, unleash your creativity, and make up a recipe that tells your unique taste story. Happy cooking, and even happier learning!